Artificial intelligence. Friend, helper, or problem? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming a part of everyday life. From smartphones and video games to online learning and social media, AI is everywhere. Many people use AI without even realizing it. In this video, we will explore what AI is, how it works in a simple way, how it can help us, what problems it may cause, and how we can use AI responsibly and wisely. Understanding AI helps us make better choices and become smarter users of technology. Artificial intelligence is when computers or machines are designed to think and learn in ways that are similar to humans. AI does not actually think like a human, but it can follow rules, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on data. For example, when a phone unlocks using your face, or when a video platform suggests videos you might like, AI is working behind the scenes. AI learns by studying large amounts of information and finding patterns, much like how humans learn from experience. There are different types of AI. Some AI is very simple and can only do one task, such as recommending music or correcting spelling. Other AI is more advanced and can understand language, recognize images, or play games. However, even the most advanced AI does not have feelings, opinions, or real understanding. AI only does what humans design it to do and depends completely on the information it is given. AI has many advantages that make life easier and more efficient. In education, AI can help explain difficult topics, suggest practice questions, and support learning at different speeds. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier by analyzing medical images. AI can also help with transportation, weather prediction, and even protecting wildlife. These benefits show how powerful AI can be when used correctly. AI is also very useful as a learning tool. It can help students brainstorm ideas, understand concepts, check grammar, and explore new topics. When used properly, AI supports learning rather than replacing it. For example, asking AI to explain a science concept in simpler words can help students understand better. Using AI to study can save time and help students feel more confident. However, AI also has disadvantages that we must understand. One major problem is over-reliance. If students use AI to do all their homework or thinking, they may stop learning important skills such as problem-solving, creativity, and critical thinking. Learning happens when we struggle, practice, and make mistakes. If AI does all the work, learning becomes weaker. Another disadvantage of AI is that it can sometimes give incorrect or misleading information. AI does not always know what is true or false. It simply predicts answers based on patterns in data. This means users must always check information and think carefully instead of believing everything AI says. Blindly trusting AI can lead to misunderstandings or mistakes. AI can also raise concerns about privacy and fairness. Some AI systems collect personal data, which can be risky if not protected properly. AI can also reflect human bias if it is trained on unfair or incomplete data. This can lead to unfair decisions or discrimination. Understanding these issues helps users become more responsible and aware. Using AI correctly means using it as a tool, not a shortcut. AI should support learning, not replace effort. For example, students can use AI to get ideas, ask questions, or understand topics better, but they should always write in their own words and think independently. AI should help students learn how to think, not think for them. It is also important to use AI ethically. This means being honest, not cheating, and respecting rules at school and online. Copying AI answers and pretending they are your own work is not learning and can cause problems. Responsible AI use builds trust and helps students grow into thoughtful digital citizens. AI will continue to grow and become more powerful in the future. Many jobs will use AI, and new careers will be created because of it. Learning how AI works now prepares students for the future. Understanding both its strengths and weaknesses helps people use technology wisely instead of being controlled by it. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can help people learn, work, and solve problems. However, it must be used carefully, thoughtfully, and responsibly. AI works best when humans stay in control, ask questions, and think critically. By understanding AI and using it the right way, we can enjoy its benefits while avoiding its risks. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Join us as we continue exploring technology, science, and the world around us in smart and responsible ways.